Hey guys, Mikey Guitar is back with another episode. The lesson in the key of D. That is the key of D, okay? On the third string here and the fifth string here, okay? And the fourth string here. You have it on the second string here, okay? So you're going to be learning that as well. Practice that all over the fretboard so you can understand the intervals, okay? Okay, like I normally told you, like, you know, the sus2 chord is always the best chord for when it comes to worship song, okay? So whenever you're playing over your worship songs, try and use the sus2 chord, okay? That's gonna sound better, and the sus4 chord. I made that. I made a lesson on that on my previous video. So if you haven't watched it, you go and watch it, or you can comment on the comment section. I'm going to link you to the video how you can get it. Okay, so you go and watch how to hold your sus2 chord and your sus4 chord. Okay, so two tricks you can start learning that will help you over your worship songs. Okay, number one is stuff like this. Playing your sus2, sustaining your last note, sustaining your end note like this saw now. Okay, let's say you're singing. Many of you know this song. I give myself away for you. Understand? You guys know the song. I give myself away. I think it's been sung like that. I give myself away. Da 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 da. I give myself away for you. Don't use me. I give myself away. Give myself away for you. Then use me. Okay. Here I am. Here I stand. Lord, I come, leave me in the room. All my life, been to see. All my life, been to die. I give myself away. Give myself away. No, you can go with any song as long as you know the progressions. Now, this is what I'm trying to say. If, for instance, songs like that come up, okay, or songs like you are the reason I live, you are the one for me, you are the one for me, you are the reason I live. Okay, so what you need to do is, apart from strumming the chord that way, okay, like the previous song I sang, I give myself away. How to make it sound cool when you're on a worship section is playing a suspend chord like this. Okay. Okay. You sustain the note, just something like this from the root. Okay. We pick the last note. Okay. Sorry. Go to your saw chord. Then your la. Then your va. Okay. So this one is an thing. I give myself away. You play. I give myself away for you. Okay, that sustain the chord and also sustain the song. Give some harmonizing tensions over the worship song. Okay, you don't need to strum the chord all over the song. Okay, you don't need to strum the song all over the chord. And mostly if you're playing like electric guitar, okay, if you're an electric guitar player, most time it's acoustic guitar players that normally strums give a strumming over the worship song. So if you're an electric guitar player, you just stay on the feelings. Okay, give myself away, da 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 da. I give myself away for you, darling. Okay, just pick the note. Da da dum dum. Okay, so with that, it's going to sound better and sounds cool. Okay, so that is the number one. So the number two is playing something like a kind of arpeggio. Just play along with the song. Give myself away. So when the song is out, you just yeah da 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 dun, 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 myself away, then you. Then go to your va, go to your go to your saw now, to your va. So you then you dun, 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 dun. I give myself away. Give myself away. Oh, you. Okay, so you can just walk along with the song. What I'm playing there is just a do, mi, so, do. Okay, do, mi, so, do. Oh, but you make it more harmonizing. Da, 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 da. Now, ti, re, so, ti, re, so, ti. Okay, now go into your T chord. So you, when you do. Now you can go now that don't use be going to your vowel chord now. You play la ti do re do. Okay, la ti do re do. Now start again. Da 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 da. Give myself away. Oh, you. I think with that, it's going to sound cool over your worship section. Okay, guys. So I think you keep practicing that. Okay, working on that. You see your playing sounding better and sounding good. Okay. I believe subsequently, I'm going to get my combo ready and also try and see how I can be giving you guys backing track for you to be able to understand what I'm saying. Okay. All right. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.